never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Blue eyes, smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
Welcome people, it's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another freaking video. So in today's video, guys, as you can see by the title down below, I'll be attempting this natural hairstyle look that was requested by one of my subscribers, and I'm here to make you guys happy. So whatever you guys tell me to do, I'm gonna try and do it as best as I can. I don't think everything you guys tell me to do I will do, because some of them I'm just not comfortable with, but here is a natural hairstyle and I am loving it. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And people, I know some of you are watching the video and you're not yet subscribed. Then why are you not subscribed? Support the sister, man. Join the Jamaican Gyal family. Alright, let's get into the video. So you will need some wax, comb, some hair moisturizer just to make sure your hair is not dry while you're doing this hairstyle, some elastic bands, comb, alcohol if you need that, some hair rods. However, I don't think I'll be using the hair rods, but first we're gonna clean our hair side. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and then come back and talk to you guys.
I don't know where we go. I feel like it's changed, love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. Will you give me something that I can give you here? Tell me why you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. Sun shining, and all these good times, we know we had something. Don't feel the vibe when we're not floating. Ain't no good time when it's the darkest sin. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy.
Yes, so I am back, people. So now that we've done that, I'm showing you the back of my hair and how it is looking so far. So I went ahead and China bomb the back part, and now I'm gonna do the front so you guys can have an idea of how to do the front of your hair. Alright, so first I'm gonna wet it up with some conditioner, water, hair moisturizer in a bottle. We're gonna spray the root of the hair, because as I said before, the root of my hair is really natural. So I'm waiting for it to grow a little bit more so I can cut off the cream ends, and then that's it. So I want to comb through and ensure that the hair isn't tangle free.
Give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you.
Alright people, so I'm back at it again. So here we go. So I'm gonna add some mousse to this here, and it's about like 10 o'clock right now that I'm doing my hair. So here's what I'm gonna add: the mousse, and I'm gonna wrap it up in a tie head, and I'm gonna go sleep until the morning. I lose it out when I'm going to work. So here we go. Alright guys, so I'm back at it this morning again. So here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and loose this hair out. I'm about to go get ready to go to work. And actually this is my first time ever manipulating my hair this way, like my natural hair. As you can see from previous videos, I do mostly like false hair basically. Well, I'm gonna try and do some more styles with my natural hair, so hopefully you guys will like these videos. If you like this video, then go ahead and share it with a friend, family, everyone you know that will support me. And I want to say thank you all for this love that you are showing me so far, and I really appreciate it. Mwah.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back.